Welcome all. Today I will discuss about the new Samsung Galaxy S6 Plus phone. Well, Samsung Galaxy S6 Plus has a premium metal built look like previous versions. It has no physical home button. This is a big size phone and hard to use in one hand. The phone has its power button relatively high up in place. Its fingerprint position is also high up in place, and it has a high chance to slip out of hand. The phone has no Type-C in this high range of price. This is a good premium looking phone. Sometimes the phone slows down while operating. It has hardware Snapdragon 450, which is not matched up with this budget phone. In this phone, PUBG type games lags a lot. The charger in the box takes 2 hours plus for charging. The phone camera is not that impressive in daylight, but works great in low light natural color. It has 1080p video recording, no EAS or OS. The phone has smooth transitions. Well, let's talk about the inside build of this phone now. It has 2G, 3G and 4G networks. Its body dimensions are 160.2 into 75.7 into 7.9 millimeter. It weighs 186 grams. It has dual nano SIM standby mode, and its display type is Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen. The size of the phone is 6 inches and its display resolution is 1080 into 2220 pixels. It's an Android 8.0 Oreo version, chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 450. The CPU of this phone is octa-core 1.8 GHz Cortex A53. It has memory card slot that is micro SD up to 256 GB. It has internal memory of 64 GB, 4 GB RAM or internal 32 GB, 3 or 4 GB RAM. Its main camera is dual 16 megapixels and rear 5 megapixels. Its video quality is 1080p at 30 fps. Its selfie camera is 24 megapixels. It has 3.5mm jack. It has micro USB 2.0. It has non-removable Li-ion 3500 mAh battery, up to 6 hours constant gaming backup. That's really good. But we'd say that this is an average phone with some good and bad sides. Choice is yours if you want to pick it up or not. If you enjoyed this video, do drop a like. Don't forget to comment as well, share and subscribe too. Thanks a lot.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son will pop the clock to feed the